Here you have two figures, or kind of like a box inside a box. And imagine we're trying to find the area of one and find the area of the other and see what a shaded area amount is. So inside you have the little box that has a 4 feet by 3 feet sides. And the outside box has 12 feet by 12 feet sides. And imagine when I'm about to shade in red, you're trying to find the area just of this amount. So imagine like the red stuff is, if you have a yard and you're trying to cut the grass, the red stuff is the grass, and the gray stuff in the middle, that's like having a pool. So how would you find that out? You first need to find the area of the whole figure. Now the whole figure, everything inside, you'd find that out by doing 12 feet by 12 feet. Once you have the two sides that you're going to multiply, you figure out, okay, 12 times 12 is 144. And foot times foot is feet, as I call it. So we have the area of the whole figure, but we're still just trying to figure out the red stuff. Now what I'm like highlighting in that whitish gray, that's the amount I'm going to take away, because I don't need to know that inside amount. I need to know the red amount. So I got to take the sides, 4 foot by 3 foot. I'm going to multiply that together to find the area of that light grayish color. I do the 4 times the 3, which gives me 12 feet squared. And now I have a subtraction problem set up. I have the whole figure, which is 144 feet squared. I'm taking apart that light white / gray shaded amount. So I do 144 minus 12 feet, and I get the answer of 132 feet squared. So that's my final answer. That's how you figure it out. You take the whole area and you subtract the amount that you don't want. Now here's what I want you to do. I'm going to set up another square inside of a square. I'm going to give you the dimensions. So I have the first square. I have the inside square. I'm going to give you I have the inside square now, or rectangle. I'm going to give you the dimensions of the outside square, which is going to be 9 feet by 8 feet. I'm going to give you the dimensions of the inside square, which is 5 feet by 2 feet. And just like I said with imagine you're trying to mow a lawn, the green space is your lawn, and you're going to try to find the amount shaded of just what's shaded in green. So think back to the previous problem, how we set it up. You find the overall area, you take away the area that you don't want, and that's how you find the area of the green amount. So once you're done, leave your answer in the comments, and we will see if we got it right together.